우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼지고 마지막 페이지를 넘기면 조용히
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Brix Tiguman. Please don't forget to click subscribe button at yung katabi niyang bell button para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. So for today's video, gagawa kami ng English only challenge. English only challenge. So, English challenge will start now. English challenge English only. Yes.
Okay.
So currently we are studying.
So,
So, for now,
are you trying
as
to
of
be
now.
international?
no, I am in Shella, so English only ha.
Ginagawa mo.
We are currently studying history, the expedition, the voyage, and everything about Magellan. So,
We feel that we're going down. I am going down.
so what are you doing, Gino? English only.
Hi guys. Hard to understand.
Yes. There are many things to know about the expedition, the voyage, and everything about Magellan. I don't think so.
I will memorize the dates.
So Rema, what can you say about our exam later? What are your preparations?
No English. Wow.
English only challenge.
English only challenge.
So Kyla and Rema, what are your preparations?
Well, I brushed my teeth. I really took a bath, and then I did not.
Ginagawa mo.
Today, I only did Charot. Pero wala. No. You know Magellan?
Ginagawa mo.
So they're busy there. We will interview Dodot. We will interview them. We will interview my classmates there. English only challenge. So what are your preparations for our exam later? Preparation. What did you do? English only challenge.
I have grabbed all day Kita may.
Did you say like klase sa bahay na dali?
Hindi pa ka nag-straight pa ko
So, more SPG na siya.
Mapa man siya na.
So, they discuss kung ang the expedition.
You know who's knows like this? Secret.
We are very busy for our exam later. So we study about So later guys, I will be updating you later. So that we will be doing English challenge today. So yes. Sorry for our Bisaya dialect sometimes. So we'll try to speak English. So I will interview, but before we will continue, we'll interview Dodot. English only challenge. There is.
English only challenge.
So what are your preparation for our exam later?
I don't have preparation for the exam because I don't even have a notes. But I just believe in my stock knowledge and through the cooperation of my classmates, I believe that they will help me to pass this quiz.
Exam?
So, this is not the exam. This is just a quiz.
Prelim.
Exam bugo ka.
Prelim ba ini?
Bugo ka exam ni.
Uy, pagtaro, uy!
Yes. This is prelim.
No, exam.
Long exam.
How about yung
Para sa ko kayo kaning
English only challenge?
for me the dragon, so very careful. Is it true?
Ginagawa mo!
Hebeb! It's red. Thank you.
You see the dragon? The dragon is in the red.
Go red dragon. Go red dragon. No. What's your dream? Ano? Subscribe to my channel.
So they are very busy right now. So shall we go because
No, you will not go when my face don't know.
yeah, shout out to Vanessa,
Yo! Hi, shout out!
Ginagawa
Shout
mo!
out! Ako po, uy.
Rika Udang, shout out.
Facebook.
They have Instagram, that's Rex Udang. Yes, Rex Udang, follow her Instagram. Facebook, Rika Udang.
Hi guys!
Rika
Please
Lindung.
subscribe to Brix Tiguman and hit the notification bell for more videos. Peace!
So that's it for today's guys. So our English so I will end our English challenge now. Yes, because we are going to another building, sa CAS, College of Arts. We will have our next class now. So thank you so much. I will end the video right now. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, though it is a nonsense. So thank you so much for watching. This is Brix Tiguman. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell for you to be updated. Follow me on my social media accounts.
You know, challenge. So I will dare myself to speak English fluently, but I think that I cannot speak.
What's up?
So I'm so sorry. So we're going to have a quiz right now, and I'm not ready yet.
Ethan, I have a question. Who killed Magellan?
So I'm just going to get my bag there.
We will say
Manok
goodbye.
na pula.
We will end our video here. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye!